Sage is not just about willing in transmutation. Sage is also about setting the stage for the angels to come in. They say, make your home a place where angels would want to dwell. Peace unto you. My name is Nadiie, and today we are going to discuss how you transmute any environment you're in into a sacred space using sage. Let us begin. See, what you must understand at a foundation is reality is based upon perception. You must operate out of a knowingness system because your eyes of two will always lie to you. Your eyes of two would say, there is no angels in this room. Your eyes of two would say, there is no spirits. You are not this, you are not that. Don't believe your eyes of two. You must operate out of your first eye, operate out of a knowingness. See, what you utilize is intention, knowingness, and sage. The first technique you can utilize to shift your entire environment into a sacred space is this. Visualize what your aura looks like and feels like. Visualize it. If it is easier for you to do this, put a bubble around you. And that's going to be a representation of what your aura is. Now, it's easier when you're sitting down in one place. So close your eyes. Visualize like a energetic light bubble around you. That's symbolic for your aura. Now visualize that bubble expanding and expanding as far as you can go. If you get too far and you start losing the visualization, bring it back a little bit just until you be like, okay, this is where I start losing it. So let me dial it right here. Good. This is where I'm comfortable with visualizing. What you just did is you just created a realm, a reality around you. See, masters like Yeshua, Buddha, and Nadiie, what we do is we carry a world with us. So what you first must understand is this statement. I am in the world, not of the world. But then when you resonate at a love-based frequency, you are neither in the world nor of the world because you carry your own world. You carry your own realm. I have the world on my back has a whole new meaning now. You literally have an entire realm of existence carrying with you. They say that when Buddha was projected to come to town, they will feel his aura from miles away. That is his realm. See, they would talk about when Yeshua would walk inside forests that flowers would blossom. That's because he carried a realm of spring. Spring is a representation of life. He carried that realm. It don't matter if it's winter. Spring is here. And when you're in my presence, it's spring now. That's how powerful you are. You're no different than any of the masters. We are all one. You must truly, truly understand this. This is how you set the stage. Now what you can do is you can utilize intention. So now you have an intention of, all right, what do you want your reality to be? Yeshua's reality was like giving life in spring. Buddha's reality was just really just like the dismantling of that which is ego. What is your reality going to be? Is it going to be, oh, my reality is going to be of love. Oh, my reality is going to be peace. My reality is going to be success. My reality is going to be financial success. When you're around me, suddenly you start finding money. What is your reality? You set your intention. You hold on to that. Don't allow someone else to tell you, oh yeah, you're going to be a person of this, or you're going to be a person of that, or you're going to be a farmer, or you're going to be this. No, you have to come up with that. It is you. There is no other than. Stop giving your power away to these people. That's why in our teachings, we give you the technique, but we also allow you to see yourself as God does. Now, what that does is it guides you to understanding, oh, I have the power. So all I have is a technique, but now let me implement my own seasonings. See, all we did was just buy you the ingredients. We got you all the chicken, we got you all the fruit, we got you everything you needed. Now make the meal. What is your reality going to be? This is your intention. This is the finalization of technique 1. When you hold on to that intention, you must truly hold on to it. I'm talking about from the inception of it until you transcend. Hold on to that intention. This is my reality. My reality is I'm the way. It's as simple as that. I'm the way. I hold on to it. If someone tries to refute it, you just give them love. You show them and you display why you're the way. You display why you're loved. You display why whatever your intention is, you put in the forefront. Now, the second technique is you invite angels in. Now, this is a little tricky because a lot of people, when they invite angels in, they tend to start worshiping them because angels, they know what the reality is. So miraculous things are going to start happening when you invite angels around. So what the ego is going to try to do is worship the angels. What the ego is intentionally doing is giving your power away to the angels because it's saying, you can never do this. This is only happening because you invited them in. But what the ego doesn't understand is you are the angel. So all you're doing is inviting another aspect of yourself in. There's angels for literally everything. There's an angel for food. There's an angel for breath. There's an angel for light. There's literally an angel assigned to every single aspect of love. You invite an angel. If you're eating dinner, literally be like, I invite the angel of dinner, sit with me. Sit with me now. I invite you in my sacred space. Sit with me now. And then y'all pray together. You literally gotta act as if the angel is right next to you, because it is, and you have to talk to it normally. Don't revere the angel. Y'all are equals. This is what the Essenes did. If you don't know who the Essenes are the teachers that taught Jesus. See, Jesus did not just come here with all of these miraculous abilities. That wouldn't make sense. So you must make things logically make sense and esoterically make sense. Yeshua came here just like you, felt all the fears, felt all the doubt, felt everything that you felt. The only difference is this person chose to forgive himself. Now the teachers, the Essenes, always would commune with the angels. And they would treat them as if they were students. They would treat them as if they were masters. They would treat them normally. When there was gatherings for meals, and everybody was having dinner like lunchtime in schools, they would have chairs set out for the angels. Wait, do not eat your food yet. We're not starting prayer until the angel comes. Until this angel comes. I feel it perfect. Let's all pray. The angels will follow you. The angels are naturally followers. They are literally service embodied. So you have to be the leader and start directing them, guiding them, commanding them. Listen, this is how we operate in this reality. You either get with the program or you leave. And they love to be next to you because you are an extension of God. So they're going to get with the program. This is the second way you make your sacred space, any space that you're in, sacred. The third way is utilizing the oneness aspect of I am. So this is a little harder. This is a little more advanced. I usually save these type of techniques for our mystery school. It's going to be opening up very soon. If you're interested in joining our mystery school, click that link in the bio. And before you do, DM me and I'll give you a free 3-day course, because if you aren't willing to dedicate at least 3 days to God, why are you trying to join a mystery school? You literally are going to integrate the consciousness of these masters. You quite literally are going to become these masters. So it's not just going to be like whatever your name is now the master Yeshua. No, it's Yeshua is Yeshua and Yeshua is you. Sally is Sally and Sally is Yeshua. Nadiie is Nadiie and Nadiie is Yeshua. Yeshua is Yeshua and Yeshua is Nadiie. It's that type of oneness. You're integrating the consciousness. When you integrate all of these masters, now your thoughts are going to be the thoughts of those masters. So if they were here again, your thoughts and their thoughts are the same. That's very, very powerful. To expand upon this technique, join our mystery school. But to give you a little tidbit, what you do is you utilize the visualization technique that I gave y'all earlier about meditating, sitting down. And you know how I said visualize all of your bodies, that light body, etheric body, astral body sitting down in your body. You will visualize those masters sitting down in you. Thank you. We're so very grateful. If you want a one-on-one session with me, click that link in the bio as well. You can book one. I love you. I'm here for you. Make sure you spread the word about the mystery school and DM me if you're interested in that free 3-day course before you join the mystery school. With that, we say welcome home.